Tired of power outages? Spending too much on fuel? It's time to switch to clean, reliable solar energy. Here at Prodigy Exclusive Company, we just completed another successful 2500W solar generator installation, bringing steady power to homes and businesses in Nigeria. This powerful system can run multiple appliances, including fans, TVs, lights, refrigerators, blending machine, and more, all day and night. Say goodbye to blackouts and high electricity bills. Want affordable, long-lasting solar power for your home or business? Call or WhatsApp us now at 0912 441 8659. Follow us for more updates on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Prodigy Exclusive Company. Go solar today and enjoy unlimited power.